everybody, welcome to Las Vegas International Airport. So today I'm going to be flying Air Canada to Toronto. It's operated by Air Canada Rouge, actually. And yeah, so right now, just finished security check, and now at my gate, and my plane's already here. Yeah, so before the flight, I just want to show you guys around the concourse right over here, right?
Here all the way down, I would suggest putting your bag in one of these overhead bins because the rest is
Les appareils électroniques doivent être réglés en avion et les écouteurs branchés en appareil électronique portatif doivent maintenant être retirés. Si votre...
Oh my.
Now, taking a closer look at the onboard Wi-Fi, it shows me the route that my flight's taking, the weather at my destination airport, different movie options, TV show options, a movie map, as well as different streaming options to surf the internet, which can be purchased using either airplane points or dollars. Now, a while later, and it was time to eat. When flying internationally, Air Canada provides free meals to all its passengers in economy class. However, when flying within North America or to the Caribbean, free meals are not provided in economy class. Instead, meals are available for purchase through Air Canada's own bistro menu. For my only meal this flight, I got myself some cheeseburger sliders for just under $11. Now, the presentation and the taste of these cheeseburgers weren't very appealing. It was almost as though they had been first heated up in a microwave and then served, which was kind of disappointing, to say the least. I basically spent the next hour or so during the flight reading this book, which is about it's a collection of 22 stories about the author during his time as a soldier in the Vietnam War. The story involves a platoon leader's love with a college girl, the death of a soldier, and a chronicle of everything that the soldiers carried during the Vietnam War, from supplies to tokens of luck to emotions. And with that, we have begun our descent into foggy Toronto. Since this flight was on Christmas Day, the flight attendants handed out chocolates to every single passenger before landing. I tried it out, and it tasted pretty amazing. Now with that, enjoy the views as we land on runway 05 at Toronto Pearson International Airport.
First officer, this entire Toronto Ice Crew
Here's my summary of how this flight went. The flight was on time, the cabin crew were very friendly, and the seat was pretty good. Honestly, the only thing bad that I have to say about this flight was the meal I got. It wasn't all bad per se, but it's just the fact that it was presented and it tasted almost like it was microwaved before being served. It was a little bit disappointing. To put everything that I've said into perspective, here's my rating of this flight. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.